What's up? What's up? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? What's up? What's up? Very good. ¿Qué pasa? What's up?
We are here today for the 13th annual Secchi Day on Beaver Lake and Science Festival. At this event, volunteers go out on the lake. They launch from 4 sites on the lake, and they're collecting what we call Secchi depth readings. And a Secchi disc is a device that you lower in the water. It's got black and white quadrants about the size of a dinner plate. And when you lower that into the water, you record the meter reading where you can just see the plate anymore. And that gives you a depth, and then that tells us about how much sediment or turbidity is in the lake. The volunteers also capture 2 water samples, and every site is sampled twice. Now, this is how the event began 13 years ago, right here at Prairie Creek on Beaver Lake.
You want the water in the lake to be clean, not just because you want to use it and enjoy it, but they treat it and create drinking water out of it, and so there's less chemicals in it. It's cheaper for them to treat it and turn it around and let us drink it. So, you know, it's a real economic impact or benefit to kind of knowing what's going on in the lake and what's affecting it, and if something's affecting it, see if you can fix that.
We try to make this event really for the students. We're looking at students anywhere from, you know, K through middle school. We want them to come here and really think that science is a cool thing, something that you know, they're going to be interested in and become lifelong learners of science. Because we feel like, you know, these students is where it begins, just like with the recycling initiative. You know, you talk to kids 20 years ago about recycling and they don't know what recycling is or why it's important. But now you talk to a kid and every one of them knows, yeah, we need to recycle, and we're hoping to achieve that same sort of success with water quality in the lake. We want them to know, you know, that what we do in the lake and what we do in the watershed is important, and all of these vendors contribute to that goal in some way. And so we have a microscope here with diatoms, and people are going to be able to look at the diatoms of Beaver Lake in this microscope today. You can use diatoms, and that will tell you a lot about how clean or not clean, in some cases, the water is.
Yeah, winner, chicken dinner. That is a winner. Thank you so much. And tell us your name.
Carol Denise.
Well, congratulations, Carol.
What's up? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa?